Today I'm going to be reviewing Guermok HDMI capture card, 4K 60 frames per second, 1080 at 240 frames per second. This is USB 3.0 to USB A or C. As you can see, it comes with a nice adapter if you don't have a C connection. And I also want to thank Guermok for sending this to me to review. So what is a capture card? So if you have, let's say, an Xbox or game system, you hook that into here, the HDMI out right there, or it's going to go out of the device into here, and this into your computer, and then it allows you to stream that. Pretty easy. Now, it uses third-party software, so you can go outside and use OBS, Windows, Zoom. A lot of people use OBS to run this. You don't need any drivers. It's plug and play. Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, Mac OS, Linux, Android 5.0 Plus, iPad OS 17 Plus. Really easy to use. Now, there were some issues I guess people have run into, and you can see it on the website. If you get some error messages, there are some reasons it might be happening and some ways to get around it. I just want to put those out there. This device defaults to 96 kilohertz, and there is some software that only supports 48 kilohertz, 16-bit or lower. So they can't recognize the signal that this is doing, the higher quality signal. So you can, if you run into any issues, they have some information on the Amazon page talking about what you can do if you run into any issues. This does really well on Amazon. It's got a 4.5 star. I like to see at least 4.4. It beats that. Now, it only has 147 ratings, but it is an Amazon choice, and 100 of these were bought last month in September of 2025. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.